Right, so this garage door, Ranty garage door, has seen better days, and it needs a sanding and a resealing. So there's some cement work there to patch that up, just get this facade looking a lot better. So there's the before pic. So I've just randomed the accessible surfaces. Luckily the varnish, it's so old that it cleans up quite nicely without too much pain. So it's a case of getting all the age off, scraping off the years, and then I'm going to coat it with a water-based colour tone. And it'll look good as new again. Nice thing about wood. That's the door, largely sanded. Product we've decided to use now, Totem exterior wood sealer. Nice economical option. We've liked the look of the wood, so we're not going to darken it with some mahogany stain or teak stain or anything like that. Just going to go straight with the clear. So let's see what that's going to look like. Okay, so that's one side done. Obviously the darker side. It has darkened it quite a bit. Wood's very porous, so it's used about that much out of a tin, out of a litre, so it's used about 400 mils. Second coat uses far less because, and I've also done the bulkhead, but or fascia. Second coat uses a lot less because it's far less porous. But I was hoping it wasn't going to darken as much because I really like that light look. But anyway, can't get away from it darkening. When wood gets wet, it darkens. It's just the way it is. Cool, let's get the other one done. Okay, there we go. That is now the final coat on the door. What I want to now address is this unsightly area here. Obviously do some repairs there, fix up the cracks, neaten that up and fill that void and get that nice and all smooth. And I think that will just improve the look of this whole entrance to the workshop quite a bit. So let's get some cement work going. Now, a very important thing to do in a case like this is you've got to remove all the loose stuff, which is quite a lot. This is obviously the old prefab precon, as we call it, and taking its toll, being coastal, and the steel rebar rusts, expands, and cracks the concrete. So there's a substantial rebuild here. Pretty bad. It's amazing what the power of rusting metal is. I mean, concrete is no joke, and yet no match. Okay, alright, I'm going to go at this. That rubble we can use to fill the hole there, so that's all good. All rubble, no rubble goes to waste. Unbelievable. Cool, let me go at this properly and then get some cement mixed. Alright, well, here we go. Cement hath dried and the holes are filled. We were going to do all the priming and painting and faffing, but apparently the house has been sold and it's going to basically just be all bashed down and rebuilt, so no sense in spending much more time and effort on that. Well, I'm not sure if they're going to bash down the garage, but yeah, it's going to be bought and flipped and sold. Yeah, that's the after pick for what it's worth. It would look a lot better if it was painted and etc. But yeah, that's it.